This project demonstrates how to build a CI/CD pipeline using GitHub, Docker, and Ansible. The goal is to automate the process from code commit to production deployment, ensuring the application is always up to date with zero downtime. It combines GitHub Actions for automation, Docker for packaging the application, Ansible for deployment to server. Application flow. In this system, everything is automated from deployment to deployment. First, the developer push code to the GitHub. This action triggers GitHub Actions, which act as the CI/CD pipeline. The pipeline will view a Docker image, then push the image to the Docker hub. After that, Ansible is executed automatically to deploy the application to the production server. On the EC2 server, the system pushes the new Docker image and perform a rolling update. As a result, the application is updated without any downtime, ensuring a smooth user experiences. Demo flow. To run this demo, we follow these simple steps. First, we assume the EC2 and security groups are already created in AWS. Next, we update the server API address inside the inventory file. Then we configure GitHub secret in the repository setting. Finally, we put codes to the main branch. This will automatically trigger the CI/CD pipeline and start deployment. Application demo. In this demo, we made a small change in the application. For example, update UI tag, then push the code to the GitHub. Then the pipeline starts automatically. While deployment is running, the old version is still serving user. The new version is deployed in parallel. After a few seconds, traffic is switched to the new version. Users do not experience any interruption. This proves the system achieves zero downtime deployment. GitHub Action Code Explanation. This workflow defines a CI/CD pipeline trigger on push to the main branch. Key step. Check out code. Download the latest source code from the repository. Log in Docker Hub. Using store secrets to the authent security. Build Docker image. Build the application image from the app directory. Put Docker image. Upload the image to Docker Hub so the server can use it. Set up SSA. Configure SSA key to allow Ansible to connect to the EC2 server. Run Ansible deploy. Install Ansible and run the playbook. This step performs the actual development on the production server. Ansible deployment flow. The development flow blue-green strategy. 1. Set a Docker network. 2. Put the latest image. 3. Remove any existing new container. 4. Report 3001 if need. 5. Start new container on port 3001. 6. Check if the new version is healthy. 7. Configure engine to serve both old and new. 8. Remove all container. 9. Switch engine to serve only the new version. 10. Rename new container to old for the next deployment. This ensures smooth transition without service interruption. Ansible code explanation. This playbook performs a zero-downtime deployment using blue-green strategy. Main idea: the old version run on port 3000. The new version run on port 3000. Step by step. Create a Docker network. Ensure container can communicate. Put latest image. Always deploy the newest version. Clean up new container and port. Avoid conflict before starting. Run new container. Deploy new version in parallel. Health check. Ensure the new app is working before switching traffic. Configure engine. Route traffic to both versions temporarily. Reload engine. Apply new routing without downtime. Remove all container. Once stable, remove the old version. Switch engine. All traffic goes to the new version. Reload again. Finalize deployment. Rename container. Prepare for the new deployment cycle.